Bra Day is coming to Regina this Thursday night. You can learn more about it at braday.com. And one of the people who is participating and offering an opportunity to learn more is Shelley Lowes. Shelley, how did Bra Day come about?
About 4 years ago, our physiotherapist at the lymphedema clinic, Tracy Gardiokis, she felt a need for women to get together to network. We all had similar questions on breast reconstruction. We were looking for information and real life experiences as to what to expect. So we started with a little sort of a mini bra day that was sponsored at that time by Willow. And there was so much interest that we were able to seek out support through the Canadian Cancer Society, and the Willow branch joined in with that. And last year we had our first official bra day, and the attendance was phenomenal. That this year we're offering it in a bigger venue, which is at the RCMP Museum, and that's how it came about.
When you talk about real life experience, that's you. You've lived through a breast cancer diagnosis and this reconstruction. Why is it something you personally wanted to be a part of, allowing people to come and do this show and tell portion where they will have an opportunity to have a look at what you've had done as far as reconstruction goes?
You know, it's something that I wish I had the opportunity when I was making decisions with reconstruction and the options that were presented to me at the time by the surgeons. Literally, you're looking at a tray of various prostheses, and you don't know. I mean, you're touching them, you're kind of looking at them, they're foreign objects. And the doctors are great and they're very compassionate, but to be able to talk to survivors and people who have gone through it is a totally different experience. And that is why I've opted to be a part of the Show and Tell Lounge, so that women can come and ask questions, see what types of implants I have, and if they choose to, they can touch, and we take the conversation from there. The only rule we have is it's only allowed at that time and not in a grocery store or anywhere else.
There's a window of opportunity for the education. Correct. Fair enough. What kind of questions do women and anyone really that is interested and comes to this event, what kind of questions do you hear from them?
They want to know what the implants feel like. If there's any limitations to the types of activities that one can do after implants, if maintenance, if any of us have experienced any maintenance issues. Some of them want to know if in the winter if they freeze, and no, they don't.
That is something I never even would have thought
Exactly.
to ask.
You know, the questions are varied, but again, it's questions personal to them, things that they want to ask in a very intimate, personal, one-on-one environment.
So what is the protocol for Thursday if people want to get involved?
We are asking that they enroll online. They can go to braday.com. It's BRA-DAY.com, and choose the Regina venue and enroll. Events start at 4:30. There is a pre-show and tell lounge, and that's for women who perhaps are in active treatment right now and can't perhaps participate throughout the evening. And the show and tell lounge is one of the most popular events there. What we also have there are the reconstruction surgeons who will be there presenting the different types of surgical options, followed by a period with the doctors, and then survivor stories, followed by show and tell, and the actual, there's a little trade show where you can see the implants, the different types, and then when you come into the show and tell lounge, when we're talking about the different models of them, they can go back and check them out again. So very informative. What we're hoping to do is empower women so that they can make an informed decision and one that's right for them.
Thanks for your time today, Shelley.
You're welcome. Thank you.